In this video, I'd like to take a look at how to add additional sheet tabs in Microsoft Excel. So I have a workbook in Excel, and when I'm working in it by default, I get one sheet tab. And let's say that I have sales by quarter here, as you can see, and I want to create these for different regions across the world. So let's say my boss asks me to name this sheet US for US sales, and then we'll create a sheet for Europe, India, China, and so on. So to rename a sheet, first of all, I want to go ahead and hover over the Sheet tab, right-click the mouse, and then select from the shortcut menu Rename. Then I just go ahead and type in the information that I want. So I'll type in US, and I'll click off of that, and that becomes enforced. Now to make another sheet for Europe sales, I want to go ahead and go to this plus button, click on that. That gives me a new sheet. Now if you're doing this, it should say Sheet 2, but I've been working on this prior to recording the video, so it says Sheet 7, but don't worry about that. So I'll go ahead and rename this now to Europe. Click off of that, and there we go. And then I'll make two more quickly here. We've got India, and finally China. So then I could go ahead and enter my data, my sales data, for these other countries as well. And then they're nicely organized by their location, so it's really easy to keep straight. And notice here, the sheet that's open is the one, it's in green font and it's got an underline. So that's how you can always tell which sheet tab you're working in. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.